these in a while. Hello YouTube, how you doing? It's your boy, if you remember me still. It's Danny. Back with another video. In case you haven't noticed, and I'm sure you all have by now, I'm obsessed with watches. I have been for quite some time. Today we are opening up a new watch, obviously. Got off Amazon. This is my very first Orient watch. And it's my first of this kind. And you'll see what I mean here in about 2 seconds. So let's go ahead and get that box off and then take off this. For those of you who don't know, Orient is a division of Seiko. It's a Japanese brand. In fact, it's one of the top 3. The other 2 being Seiko and Casio, I believe. Ooh. Look at that. There's all the paperwork below. And yes, it is a Japanese import, so all the instructions are going to be in Japan. I don't need instructions. Look at this thing. That is a beautiful watch. Man, that's nice. All right, let's take it off the pillow. And yes, it is brand new. Got it off Amazon, Japan. It is solar powered, which is very nice. I was hoping that it would start moving as soon as I took it out of the box, but it did not. Not a big deal. I'm going to have to resize it, but look at that. That is beautiful. I love the dial. I love the dial so much. And yes, this is a quote, Panda chronograph, which is great. My first Panda. I do have other chronographs, but they're not black and white, and that's why they call it a Panda chronograph. So, yeah, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So let me go ahead and pull off all the plastic. That's how you know it's new. I'm likely going to have to size this. I usually have to because I have baby wrists, basically. Which I'm thankful for, actually, because there's a lot of people who have massive wrists. I'm glad I'm not one of those guys. I would like to have a small wrist, and so I'm glad that I was born with a small wrist. Let's see. That comes off like that. Plastic. There's something about a new watch. It's just so nice to open, and I tend to open a new watch every 2 weeks, it seems like. So, and I believe it says, yeah, sapphire crystal. Very nice. A lot of plastic. But yeah, that's how you know it's brand new, which is indeed nice. There we go. That comes off. Okay. Oh, I think there's plastic on the back here. And I got a little bit on the front still. That comes off. I still hear plastic, so there's a piece. I can just grab it. There we go. Oh, and one more. I like that they wrap new watches with bracelets and all this plastic. Keeps it from, you know, getting beat up while in transit, which is nice. Plus, it's just satisfying, right? Okay. Go ahead and put it on, and yeah, I'm gonna have to resize it. Probably 5 links, I would say, have to come out. So, but that's how it would go on. Yeah, definitely have to resize it. So I will do that and get it all set up, and then I'll show you guys once it's all set up and everything, what it looks like. All right. There it is. It is sized to my wrist, and it's looking beautiful. I'm gonna turn the camera. Look at that. Sorry, the light box lights are reflecting off of it, but yeah, there you go. Look at that sweeping motion. I love it. Now, that is the chronograph seconds hand going off as well. But the actual seconds hand is the first small dial on the left there. But I wanted to show the sweeping motion of the chronograph seconds hand. That's the thing about chronographs. I wish that the seconds hand was like in one of the small dials for the chronograph feature, and that the regular seconds hand was the big hand. But, you know, it's okay. It's not a big deal. This is what it looks like when you stop the chronograph. Seconds hand. You just do this. And then it winds it all the way back to home. Just like that. It's very nice. Also, keep in mind, if you buy this watch, and I will link it below, if you buy this watch outside of Japan, that the Orient guarantee is only valid in Japan. So, yeah, no warranty basically if you buy it outside Japan. Just keep that in mind. I have never had to use a watch warranty ever. And there's some other paperwork again in Japanese. So stuff like that doesn't bother me at all. And then here's the website. If you guys want to scan that, you can. Feel free. Japanese QR code and English QR code. But yeah, doesn't scare me. Yeah, warranty is only valid in Japan, which makes sense because this is a Japanese watch. I mean, everything is written in Japanese except for that little notice and the QR code thing I just showed. But and they do that because they know people like me are going to buy this outside of Japan, which is, they don't care. They get their money, but just keep in mind, no warranty if you buy outside of Japan. So again, I've never had to use a watch warranty. If I do need to have a watch service, I have a personal jeweler, a local jeweler I use. Lovely people. KC Watch, I'll go ahead and shout them out, why not? KC Watch, if you're in the Kansas City area. KC Watch on 95th and Antioch. I love those guys. So, and Thompson's Jewelry over in Shawnee. I use them sometimes too. But I tend to go to KC Watch more than anywhere else. And they have fair prices and all that. Anyway, it's not a sponsor. I'm just throwing it out there. Anyway, that's all for that video, for this video. Today is editing day for me, so I'm going to be doing that. Also, the Lume is really nice on this watch. Look at this. Okay, kind of, hold on a second. There you go. Look at that Lume. Beautiful. Very bright. I love this watch. It's so nice. So, definitely going to be one I wear a lot, in addition to my other couple watches, which you've not seen yet. I need to edit the video, so... yeah, thanks all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video, and take care. It's dark in the light box, so I have to turn off the light box. All right, guys, see you. Peace. Look at that depth of field. I love this watch. Okay, all right.